Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Now from the Learning Partner. In this video, we will be learning on how to handle the missing data in Excel using Pandas. In a previous video, we had explained how to remove the null value from the existing data. If you had not watched that video, then click on the above link. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out your learning. So let's start with this topic on how to handle the missing data in Excel. We can use the fillna function to fill in the missing data with a specified value. Now let's check our Excel file where we have some missing data. We will go to our data file and we will double click on it, and our data file has been opened. We can see in the gender column there are NA. We need to replace this NA by 0. So let's start with the Python. In the first step, we will import the pandas as PD. Then we will use the file path to specify our data where we had saved it. To read this file, we will use the df equal to pd.readcsv function and we will specify a file path. In order to fill the NA function with the specific value, we will use df.fillna function bracket 0 impulse is equal to true. Then in order to save this data to the new Excel file or CSV file, we will use the function df.tocsv function. Hence, the code is complete. Now we will run our code from here. And we can see we did not get any error. So we will go to the path file where we had saved the file, output. We will double click on it. And we can see the NA is been replaced by the 0. In conclusion, removing the null values and handling the missing data is important in cleaning up your data for analysis. In the next video, we will discuss how to display the data type. Thank you for watching.